Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about obesity and food pleasure, surprising findings from recent study. Here's something you might not expect: people with obesity don't necessarily enjoy junk food more. In fact, they often enjoy food less than people at a healthy weight. And researchers are now exploring if helping people enjoy eating again could actually support weight loss. Over time, a high-fat diet can train your brain to see indulgent foods as less satisfying. A study from UC Berkeley found that restoring levels of a protein called neurotensin helped reset the brain's reward center in mice, making food pleasurable again. This could lead to new obesity treatments, very different from current ones like Ozempic or Wegovy, which work by suppressing appetite. Instead of dulling hunger, this approach could help you eat more mindfully by bringing pleasure back to food. When your brain stops getting that reward from eating, you may eat out of habit or boredom instead of genuine enjoyment, which can lead to overeating. Even though the study was done in mice, it matters. Mice and humans share many of the same brain circuits. And past breakthroughs like semaglutide, the compound in Ozempic and Wegovy, also started with rodent studies. Wondering if your brain's reward system is off? Here are a few clues and tips. Ask yourself mid-meal, am I still enjoying this? Notice if you're snacking out of routine, like every time you watch TV. Tune into when you feel satisfied, not just full. This research is a reminder that food isn't just fuel, it's emotional and deeply tied to your brain. If your eating feels out of sync, it's not just about willpower. Real brain changes could be at play, and the good news is, they might be reversible. By restoring the pleasure of eating, we might open up a new, more compassionate path to weight loss. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting, Sunbro.